Racketeer's Wire Dispenser is the ultimate multi-purpose tool for today's electrical contractor. Its ultra-light patented design enables wire dispensing for various size reels, from the smallest to the largest reels up to 330 pounds. Racketeers are lightweight and portable. Move your reels without dismantling them with the built-in handles. But its use doesn't stop there. The two interlocking pieces lock together and come apart with ease, and allow electricians to perform countless other critical tasks, making his job easier, faster, and safer than ever. Use it as a caddy, a pipe vise, a workbench, a shelf, a seat, with two sets, you can easily build a large workbench or table. Simply insert the provided steel pins, invert your racketeers, and attach to a sheet of plywood. Engineered with multiple weight-bearing struts, racketeers are produced using a nitrogen-enriched structural foam, resulting in a time-tested durability we've relied on since 1995.